Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetarian pad see ew. This classic Thai street food is incredibly satisfying and surprisingly simple to adapt for a plant-based diet. We'll cover everything from selecting the right noodles to crafting that signature savory sweet sauce. Get ready to create a truly authentic and flavorful meal right in your own kitchen, perfect for any weeknight dinner or special occasion. First, let's get our main components ready. For the noodles, if using fresh ones, gently separate them to prevent sticking during cooking. If using dried, follow package instructions for rehydration. Next, prepare your Chinese broccoli by cutting it into 2-inch sections. A quick blanch in boiling water for about 30 seconds will ensure its tender crisp. You can also press and cube about 8 ounces of firm tofu for extra protein. Now for the heart of the dish, the sauce. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to mix together about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar to balance the flavors. This combination creates that deep, umami-rich, and slightly sweet profile that defines pad see ew. Finally, it's time to bring it all together with the stir-fry. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your wok or large pan over very high heat until it's shimmering. Add minced garlic and stir-fry for about 15 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your prepared vegetables and protein, cooking for 1 to 2 minutes. Toss in the noodles and pour over the sauce, stir-frying vigorously for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well coated and slightly caramelized. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.